Pumpkin spice season isn't just for coffee shops. You can make better drinks at home, save time, save money, and still get that cozy fall fix. Hit like, subscribe, and let's start.
Number 1. Pumpkin Spice Latte. Hot. Brew strong coffee. Warm milk with pumpkin puree, cinnamon, nutmeg, and sugar. Blend it up. Add whipped cream on top if you want. Number 2. Iced Pumpkin Cream Cold Brew. Cold brew, ice, and a quick homemade pumpkin cream. Mix heavy cream, pumpkin puree, maple syrup, and vanilla. Froth and pour. Number 3. Pumpkin Spice Chai Latte. Brewed chai tea. Stir in warm milk, pumpkin puree, and a dash of honey. Add a sprinkle of cinnamon on top. Number 4. Pumpkin White Hot Chocolate. Melt white chocolate chips with milk. Stir in pumpkin puree and pumpkin spice. Top with whipped cream and a cinnamon stick. Number 5. Pumpkin Iced Coffee. Chill your brewed coffee. Shake it with milk, pumpkin puree, cinnamon, and brown sugar. Pour over ice. Number 6. Pumpkin Spice Protein Shake. Blend milk, vanilla protein powder, pumpkin puree, banana, and a pinch of cinnamon. Great for breakfast or post-workout. Number 7. Pumpkin Mocha. Add cocoa powder and pumpkin puree to your regular latte. Stir well. It's like hot chocolate and pumpkin had a coffee baby. Number 8. Pumpkin Apple Cider Punch. Mix apple cider, pumpkin puree, cinnamon, and ginger. Serve cold with ice and apple slices. Add sparkling water if you want fizz. Number 9. Pumpkin Spice Smoothie. Blend frozen banana, Greek yogurt, pumpkin puree, maple syrup, and milk. Add oats to make it more filling. Number 10. Pumpkin Affogato. Scoop vanilla ice cream. Pour over hot espresso, then drizzle with warm pumpkin sauce. Sweet, cold, and bold all at once.
Fall in a cup 10 ways. Try one, save the rest, and never settle for a $7 drink again. Like and subscribe for more easy food ideas that hit every season.